Hi, Cadis here, and today I'm going to rekey this Ace branded Kwikset lock, and you can see I got the pins already here. So let's go ahead and take this apart. Pretty big gap there. I'll go ahead and shim it. If I can. So I'll go ahead and dump the key pins. I'll go ahead and I'll show you the driver pins. So the first one's a steel. Pin 2 is a spool. Now this is commercial just from Ace Hardware. Number 3 is a standard. Number 4, if you can see that, it's another spool. Number 5, just a standard. And then you can see in there, you can see the springs. So now, I'm going to go ahead and put in the new key pins. Now these Kwikset key pins, for those who don't know, they don't, let me grab a good one here. They don't have a point on them, they're flat. They're flat on both sides. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the key in. Looks good. And there went the springs. So they're steel springs. My tweezers are magnetic, so steel springs. So now I'm going to go ahead and put everything back. Try to get it to where you can see. Go ahead and grab number 5 and put it down in there. If I can see where I'm going. And then I will I'll pinch it with the follower there, and then I'll just push it down and bring the follower forward. Go ahead and put number 4 in there. Gotta make sure you put a spring in. Now if you look in there, you can see how in between each hole here for the pins, there's a little cut in between each of them. I don't know why that is. Maybe someone who knows can comment and tell me why that is. I need to demagnetize my tweezers. Come on. Oops, give you a little closer look at that spool. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it back in. And grab my clip. So you can kind of see there, let's see, you can see the, right here, the little bottom of the keyway. Pop that back on. Now I'll grab the key. Make sure it works. Nice. All rekeyed. So there we go. I rekeyed, put it back together. My tweezers, I modified these. I picked these up just from a local store and filed them down. They work okay. I didn't know they were magnetic, so well, there we go. You get to see the inside of an Ace kick, and I put the lock back together. Thanks.